Today, I want to share some AI business ideas that have huge potential to generate passive income. These ideas are relatively untapped, making them perfect for beginners, okay? Now, before we proceed, I want to make it clear that this video is strictly for open-minded people who are looking to start an AI side hustle to make money online. And also to tell you that with the right information, you can make a lot of money online using AI, no special skills or experience required. Some of these AI business ideas are free to get started with, okay? While others may require a little capital to kick things off. But don't worry, they're all proven methods that actually work, and I've tried a few of them myself. I'm speaking from experience. This is not one of those overhyped YouTube videos that promise you unrealistic results. I'm here to give you real, actionable insights, including the tools you need to automate your business without breaking the bank. So let's jump into a few AI business ideas that any beginner can start with $0. AI affiliate marketing. This is one of my personal favorites when it comes to making some decent cash every month. What I'm talking about is TikTok affiliate shop, where creators can sell products directly on the platform. This is such a goldmine for anyone wanting to make money online. Now, this AI business idea does require some strategic planning, so it's important to know the right steps to take, okay? If you're new to affiliate marketing, here's the rundown. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy. You promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. As a beginner, TikTok is one of your best bets. Here's why. TikTok affiliate marketing is all about creating short, engaging videos promoting affiliate products. You simply direct your audience to buy through links in your bio or comments section. It's that easy. Before jumping in though, you want to choose a niche that resonates with your audience and aligns with your interests. Whether it's tech gadgets, skincare products, beauty items, or even educational courses about AI. Pick something you're passionate about. This is very important, okay? Now, if you want to dive into AI-focused affiliate marketing, there are a ton of options you could promote, such as AI-powered tools like chatbots, content creation tools, or design platforms, and all of that, okay? So, while I promote health-related products through ClickBank, which is in the health niche, I also have a dedicated AI blog where I promote AI-powered tools, and trust me, it's been amazing. I earn passively from these affiliate platforms because they are recurring commission-based affiliate programs, okay? And getting started is always easy. As a beginner though, it's important to stay away from platforms that require you to get accepted before promoting their offers, because you probably wouldn't have the necessary requirements yet, and that's perfectly okay. So the easiest way is to go to the website you want to promote, look for their affiliate program, and just join in. Here are a few affiliate programs and platforms to consider for promoting AI-related products. Anyways, you can go with any affiliate platform of your choice, okay? You have got Amazon, Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, and all of that. Or you can go through TikTok Affiliate Shop, which allows you to promote products directly through the app. Now, once you've chosen your niche and product, you should leverage AI tools to create content, okay? And don't worry, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. AI will take care of everything. To make your life easier, here are a few of my go-to tools for content creation, especially when it comes to creating product videos for affiliate marketing. So while combining all these AI tools, I know it can be hard, really exhausting, okay? So I typically use Topview AI to generate all my affiliate marketing content, where you simply input the product URL and Topview AI will seamlessly create a product video for you, okay? You can check out this video here. I show how to use Topview AI to generate affiliate content. But before you begin the content creation, it's essential to understand and plan the video style for the product you are promoting. You want to ensure you are creating engaging content. If you've been on TikTok, you know it thrives on short, snappy videos that grab attention fast, right? Now, if you want to drive affiliate sales, here's about 4 proven ways on how you can make content that works. One is showcasing the product. This involves creating videos where you demonstrate how the AI tool or product works in real time. A typical example is this video style, though this is long form video, but you'll want to keep yours like really short. For this, I use Filmora AI to handle the entire creation process. Another is educational content. You can share tips, tutorials, or even how-to guides using AI tools. The key here is to educate, not just sell, okay? For example, show your followers how a tool can help with social media marketing, boost productivity, or even create artwork. I hope you get the idea. Then the third is product reviews, pretty much like this type of video style, where you share your personal review of the AI products you're promoting. Talk about the features, the pros and cons, and share examples of how it can be used. This video style helps your audience to make informed decisions. Filmora still works well for creating educational and product review video content. Now the last is AI-generated content. This is best for any e-commerce store or e-com products. And this is where Topview AI comes in because it does the heavy lifting. Now, I've been getting some emails from folks asking how to get started with affiliate marketing. If that's you, simply follow this affiliate marketing strategy, though this isn't just for TikTok, okay? You can also implement this strategy on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your affiliate products. And since you will be creating short-form videos, then you want to spread them across all platforms, including Pinterest. I hope you get the idea. All right, moving on to the next idea, AI-generated podcasts. This one is pretty cool because it's still relatively new and I've got some detailed tutorial videos showing you exactly how to get started. So here's the deal. With AI tools like Google's NotebookLM, you can turn text into podcast-like conversations. Basically, you upload an audio, document, an article, or any kind of text-based content, and the AI turns it into a natural-sounding conversation. The best part? You can monetize your AI-generated podcasts on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for ad revenue. What's awesome about this business is that it's perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend a ton of money because most of the tools you'll need are totally free. Now, here's how it works. You're using AI to transform your written documents, articles, or any kind of content into engaging conversational audio scripts for your podcast, okay? It's like having your own personal AI assistant that helps you create content without needing to do a ton of work. I was able to create a human-like podcast conversation about the novel Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it was incredible to see how Google NotebookLM could generate such a detailed and insightful book analysis with just a click. The process was surprisingly seamless. Now, all you really need are two tools, Audacity and Canva. However, if you're looking for simplicity, Canva alone can be more than enough to get the job done. Like I said earlier, I've made a step-by-step video showing you exactly how to get started with AI-generated podcasts and start making money. So if this sounds like something you'd want to get into, then check out the video for all the details. I will leave the links to all mentioned AI tools and suggested videos in the description box, okay? Now, if this AI business idea sounds perfect to you, here are some ways to monetize your podcast. Through ad revenue, platforms with ad systems would let you earn revenue based on how many views or listens your podcast gets. Another is through sponsorship deals. As your podcast grows, you could get sponsors who want to advertise their products to your audience. These deals can be super profitable, especially if your podcast starts getting a lot of listeners, okay? And then we have affiliate marketing, which allows you to start making money from the very start of your video. I hope you get to realize just how easy it can be to get started with AI-generated podcasts, especially when the tools you need are free or low cost. So if you're ready to take the plunge, there are lots of opportunities here to start earning, whether it's through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. All right, here's a quick sneak peek of the kind of content you can easily create with Google NotebookLM and start making money with little to no hassle. Okay, in the description box below, you will find a link to a file with some examples of trending podcast niches you can dive into. These are niches that are currently hot, so you're tapping into something that's already in demand. Just a heads up, the file isn't anything fancy. I threw it together quickly to help you get started. It's free, so don't worry, you're not paying a dime for it, okay? All you need to do is grab the ebook, check out the niches, and start creating your own podcasts. Simple as that. Now let me know, what do you think? Would you try AI podcasts? Let me know if you want more details or if you have any questions. So let's talk about AI-generated digital products and specifically ebooks. Creating ebooks is still one of the most popular ways to sell digital products, okay? You can create an ebook on almost anything, whether it's self-help, business, fiction, educational materials, or even art. And with AI tools like Google NotebookLM, ChatGPT, and other content generators, making ebooks has never been easier, okay? I actually sell digital products myself, and this is how much I have made in just this month, and this was last year. And I can tell you that pricing plays a big role in how much you'll make. For example, my prices are under $10, which I think is a bit low, right? So pricing really matters. If you price it right, you can earn much more. Take this one example. There's a young woman who sells a list of hair vendors online. She looks like she just finished high school or so, but she's already building her business and reputation. Her products aren't anything extraordinary, but there's a real demand for them. People need these kinds of information and resources, and she's capitalizing on that. If you need help with the content, ChatGPT is always there to help you put your words together and get your ebook started. And if you're still figuring out what kind of ebook to create, here's another idea: digital coloring books. These have really gained in popularity lately, especially digital versions. People love coloring because it's a relaxing, stress-relieving activity, and it's something anyone can enjoy. Once you have a bunch of AI-generated illustrations, you can easily compile them into a digital coloring book and start selling it. Now, with AI tools like Coloring Book AI, you can easily create unique, captivating coloring pages, and you can even upload an image or photo and turn it into line art like in no time, okay? So, once you've got your AI-generated illustrations, tools like Canva and BookBolt can help you design the layout of your book, arrange the illustrations, and add all the extra details like page numbers, headers, or even a table of contents, okay? BookBolt in particular is super user-friendly. You can just drag and drop your illustrations into pre-made templates, making the design process really smooth. When it comes to selling digital coloring books, they're typically offered as downloadable PDFs, and there are tons of platforms where you can sell them, like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. I've actually created a bunch of video tutorials that walk you through exactly how to create ebooks, coloring books, and even AI-generated puzzle books that are perfect for selling online. For example, you can even design word search puzzles using AI tools like ChatGPT and target niche markets. These puzzles can be included in educational books or themed books for both kids and adults. Once you've got your puzzle books ready, you can publish and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even Amazon KDP, okay? And if you do this right, it's totally possible to make over $4,000 a month. It's all about using the right tools and strategies to create valuable products people want. And that's a wrap for today's video. As you can see, AI is opening up so many exciting opportunities. And if you're ready to start creating your own digital products, or you want to learn more about AI affiliate marketing or podcasting, check out the links in the description for all the tools I mentioned and my full tutorials. So let me ask you, which of these AI business ideas did you find most interesting? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your digital business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.